Hey guys, and welcome to just a brief video explaining what you are going to be doing today, Soph and Alex, what you're going to be doing in the upcoming, over the upcoming weeks. So we are going to do a compare and contrast paragraph. The idea is that we organize or show how two or more concepts or items are alike, compare, and how they are different, contrast. Usually a comparison and contrast essay is considered a formal writing, therefore you will write in the third person, so you can't use first person pronouns like I, me, or my. Now you're going to get a graphic organizer in the near future in terms of how exactly your essay should be structured. But what I want you to do today is use this note, or Sophia, what I want you to do today is use this note-taking guide and this chart below to track evidence of Locke and Hobbes. Keep in mind that this will be used for your paper, and it needs to be incorporated in TLQ form. We are largely going to be comparing the differences between the two rather than contrasting and looking at similarities. So when you look at your note-taking guide, we have step 1, context. What are their theories? So what does Locke and Hobbes believe regarding the purpose of government, social contract, state of nature? What are their beliefs? I didn't have it on here, but I want you to explain in your own words. As far as step 2 or column 2, you are going to be providing evidence from our readings of the theories. So we got 3 readings, John Locke and Thomas Hobbes, the 2 readings from iCivics.org, and the 2 views of social contract. So if you'll be using that as evidence, Eric, you'll be using that in the future as evidence. The sub has the papers for you. I'd like you to read them, answer the questions, get familiar with both gentlemen, and I'm going to collect those papers from you and talk to you a little bit about that on Thursday. So you're kind of going to be doing a little bit of catch-up work, Alex, in order to understand this evidence portion. And then we're going to do step 3, which is the analysis. How are they different? What makes their 2 views different? Again, you are going to explain this in your own words. And remember, when we're using evidence, it's TLQ form. So, Sophia, this graphic organizer, this note-taking guide is what you're working on today. Alex, you will be working on getting up to date on those readings. Please see the sub for that information and make sure to work independently. Don't reach out to your peers. I want you to actually learn so that when coming to write this essay, it is easy and breezy for you. Listen, if any of you have any problems or either of you have problems, please feel free to reach out to me, shoot me an email, and we can see what we will do. I'll be returning tomorrow afternoon, or today, I guess this is when you'll be watching it, so on December 5th in the afternoon. So if you want to stop by during Reach, please feel free to do so. I hope you both have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you on Thursday.